But look at that. Look at that. Where is the lace, girl? Where is it? We don't know.
Hey y'all, so today's wig was sent over from Ashimary or Ashimary. They sent me over their 20-inch water wave 360 lace frontal wig. Listen, this lace is gorgeous. It's already pre-cut for you. The construction has combs on the side, comb in the back, an adjustable elastic band, and it has this clear string running throughout the back for you to pull it tighter to give it even more of a glueless look, which is just absolutely genius. So I'm gonna go and co-wash the hair off camera and I'll be back.
Hey y'all, so here's our girl after she has been co-washed and air dried. So let's try her on. Oh, let me adjust the strap because it's like kind of pulled all the way to the other side. So let me just adjust it some, because the plan is for this to really be a pop on and go kind of a moment. So I could kind of tighten it a bit more. But look at that. Look at that. Where is the lace, girl? Where is it? We don't know. I'm gonna tighten the adjustable strap a little bit more because I only did it halfway. I normally would pull it all the way over, so I'm gonna just do it a little bit more, not completely all the way to the other side, because you have this in the back to really like make it even more snug. Okay, now I saw a picture of Rihanna and I'll put it on the screen, and so that's my inspo photo for the hairstyle that I want to do. Let me put this up so I could show you the back. Already, like, this is a look right here, you know what I'm saying? Leave her be. Okay, let me make sure I brush my little kitchen naps. Okay, because it don't matter what I do. If I straighten my hair, if I blow my hair, it don't matter. I'm gonna have those little kinks in the back. Okay, so this is how the back looks. And let me pull the thing to make it snug. And you see how much like just tighter it gets. Okay, now that we have the wig on and secured, I'm gonna get into styling. So cute. So now, per the request of the company, we're gonna do a little test to make sure she's secure and not going to fall off of my head. Let's do a wobble wobble. Shake it, shake it. Do a wobble wobble. I mean, my bun fell down, but everything is definitely still in place. Okay, y'all, so I am obsessed. I was going to put it back down in the middle part to show you more in depth what it looks like in the middle part, but I feel like, first of all, I'm too obsessed with the way it looks right here. I don't want to take it down, but also I feel like when I first put the wig on, you could kind of get the gist of what it looks like down and in the middle part. And this is a 360 frontal wig, so you could kind of do a middle part or side part. You could do whatever, really and truly, some cornrows if you want to. So I feel like the first initial pop on of the wig shows you what it looks like down. So I'm not gonna take it back down and show you. I'm just gonna leave it like this for the rest of the video. I think it just looks so cute, so pretty, especially with like my little shirt that I have on. I intended to kind of use the claw clip, but once I was kind of pulling it up into a pony, I was like, wait a minute now. I think I like the way it looks in a pony or a bun instead of like a claw clip. But yes, I feel like this just looks so regal, you know? So I've already told you about the specs of the wig in the beginning of the video, so let's just get into my thoughts. You already know I love the style, I love the way it came out, but also this wig with the kind of elastic pull thing in the back, I don't even know what they call it, but whatever it is in the back that I showed you, that little like clear thing to pull the wig tighter in the back is just genius. Now I don't know if all wigs have this, or if this just is kind of like something new for this wig or for this company. I'm not sure, but I do know that it is bomb and it is very, very handy. Then also the curl pattern. This curl pattern is always a no-brainer. It's one of my favorites. I love like a curly texture, a kinky curly texture, an afro kinky curly texture. Anything that got some like texture to it, I love, but this is like top 3 and probably number 3. So yes, but curl pattern, absolutely gorgeous. The hair quality is really, really good. This hair is really, really soft and really, really luscious. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not really much else to say. This is a gorgeous wig. I would definitely recommend it. And if you are interested, I will have the links to the wig and company in the description box for you to check it out. Thanks again to Ashimary or Ashimary for sending me over this wig and collaborating with your girl on today's video. We truly appreciate it. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Okay, so this is post video. I just threw a couple of like edges in the wig and put it back down in the middle part so you can see, and I had to kind of like go in with some mousse to kind of like redefine some of the curls. But as you see, like this wig is so pretty and you can really do a lot with it. Super cute.